In Tellico Village, south of Knoxville, Tennessee, you'll discover an exciting opportunity at 312 Washita Lane. This home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a half bath, offering not only an excellent lake view, but lake access as well at the nearby cove. You'll benefit from a number of recent upgrades throughout, resulting in 9-foot ceilings, greater square footage, and additional bedroom space and location, just to name a few. The great room is grand, centered by a floor-to-cathedral ceiling stone gas fireplace. The open design accommodates your largest dining table quite nicely, framed within a wall of glass, bringing in that exceptional lake and mountain view. For more intimate gatherings, you'll enjoy the breakfast area, and the chef's kitchen was designed for ease in meal preparation, with a tremendous center island and counters of granite, plenty of custom cabinetry throughout, and of course, the latest appliances, including this commercial-grade propane cooktop. 5 bedrooms provide exceptional privacy and comfort, not only for your family, but for guests as well. 2 bedrooms are on the main level. Your master suite is so roomy beneath a tray ceiling and plenty of window for an excellent view. This master bath offers up style on a much higher level with a large garden tub, glassed walk-in shower, and dual vanities. We've extended your luxury living space downstairs with additional bedrooms, lots of storage, and easy outside access. This exceptional home in Tellico Village awaits your private tour now. Call Lisa Barnard at RE/MAX Excels in Tellico Village direct at 865-582-1799.